right, Math 1, this is your homework help on scatter plots and lines of best fit. Scatter plots are where you have a graph that compares two different quantities or variables. The quantity here or the variable here is height. This is along the x-axis. The quantity here is going to be shoe size. Both variables are represented by numbers, okay? By numbers. So you're going to describe the relationship between the height and the shoe size. As you notice on the average, as your height increases, the shoe size increases. So this has a positive correlation. As the height increases, the shoe size increases. So this is called a positive correlation. This is a positive correlation. Okay. So your line of best fit, I'm going to go ahead and do the line of best fit here. I'm going to put positive correlation here. Your line of best fit is going to be the line that best describes the scatter plot. It's going to be a linear model or a straight line that's in the middle of the points. You can only do a line of best fit for either a positive correlation or a negative correlation. It is obvious that you will not be able to do a line for a no correlation because the points are scattered everywhere. Okay? So we're going to choose 2 points that if we draw a line, that line is going to be in the center of those points. If I draw a line from here using these 2 points, most of the points are under the line. So this would not be a good line of best fit here. If I draw a line using these 2 points, okay, then this would also not be a very good line of best fit because most of the points are still under the line. So I'm going to choose, let's try this point right here and this point right here. So if I draw a straight line through these 2 points right here, we got 3 points that are almost on the line. We got 2 points above and 3 points. This is a pretty good line of best fit. So I'm choosing this point and this point to draw my line of best fit. This is a good line of best fit. Okay? So this is okay. All right, let's do number 2. And that's all you have to do there. We're not going to write the equation for this line yet. We're just going to draw the line, okay? All right, so let's do number 2. Describe the relationship. That means describe whether it's a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or no correlation at all. On an average, as years pass, then the value of the car is going down. So that's what we're going to say. As the years pass, increase, the value of the car decreases. The value or the car value decreases. And it's always going to be situations that break the mold, okay? So please be aware of that there are special cases in every situation, okay? Collectible cars obviously will grow in value, and that will be an outlier, okay? But for the most part, as the years pass, increases, and X always increases, then your car value decreases. This is a negative correlation. Okay? Now we're going to draw a line of best fit. So we're going to pick 2 points that if we draw a line through those 2 points, most of the points are either going to be on that line or in the center of the points. So I'm going to choose this point right here, and let me see if I choose this one from here to here, or this one. Let me see. If I choose these 2 points, Most of the points are above it. So let's not choose this one. If I choose this one and this one, from here to here, and I need to do a better job of drawing a straight line. I probably need to get a ruler and do it. Use a straight edge or something. I'm going to choose this point right here. I'm going to circle this point and this point, okay? Use these 2 points. I'm going to try to get a straight line there. Okay, and so yes, most of the points are really close to this line. Okay, you got 1, 2, maybe 3, 4 that are going through it, and a couple points under. So this is a pretty good line of best fit. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's pretty decent because most of the points are really close to that line. The calculator can get a better line of best fit, and I'll show you how to do that later. Okay. So now you're going to do the others. You're going to tell if it's a positive correlation or negative correlation or no correlation at all. Okay. And then you're going to draw a line of best fit. If it's a no correlation, then you cannot draw a line of best fit. All right. So on the average, are these points going up on the average? Yes, they are. Okay. These points are going up. You got maybe 2 outliers here. One that's extremely above and one that's extremely below, and that's okay. On the bottom, you're going to graph these ordered pairs on this graph, okay? You're going to graph your ordered pairs. All right, you can do breaks in the line, the smallest number, you're going to do time down here, and you're going to do score along the side. This is your X, this is your Y. Your time is unaffected by any other variable, so you have to graph it along the x-axis. Your score is probably affected by the time, okay? The time studying. All right, so then you're going to make intervals go up by a certain amount and then estimate your points. So it's going from 15 is the smallest number to 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So even if I go up by 10, 20, 30, there's going to be some points. Let's see. I could probably go up by 10s, but there's just going to be a lot of points clustered in here. Okay, so just be careful with that. And then this is lowest number from 50 to 9. So I could probably put a break in the line and start at 50. And then from here, go up by 50. Let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. That might not be enough. So I might 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's still too big. So if we go with 50, then 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. See, 95 is not going to be enough. It needs to be 99. 95, 100 could be up here. You could possibly do that and just put 100 up here. Okay, so you can make your scale. If you find a better, you might want to go up by 6s or however you want to do that. Doesn't matter. As long as if you do a break in the line, do a break in the line, little slash, and start at 50 if you're not going to start at 0. If you start at a separate number, and then from there you can go up 55, 60, 65, 70, so forth. And then this could be 10, 20, 30, 40, on and on, and then graph your ordered pairs. Okay? All right. Have a good one. Y'all have a good one. If you have more questions, just let me know. Have a good day. Bye.